I'm here with Steve Boettcher from Integrated Designs to discuss the modifications to the middle school, high school for the bond project.
Thank you, PJ. Let's just talk real quickly about the additions on the site plan here. First, we have a proposed gym that's going to be put on towards the athletic field next to the current gym with a common entrance for your sports complex of both gyms accessing that. The area around the gymnasium will intrude the parking lot a little bit, but still allow movement around. It'll have a gate area where you can get into the ball fields and a concession and toilet room area that's going to be part of the building, so it doesn't have to be drained down seasonally, and that can also be used with the inside gym, as we'll see soon on a plan. It has a new press box. The existing one has been condemned. It cannot be used. The concessions, the toilets, and the press box will have to be taken down and removed, and a new press box only will be put up since the toilets and concessions are part of the gymnasium addition. We also are putting in a new CTE and business addition to the building, approximately 3,000 square feet. Currently, it sits in some classrooms in the academic wing of the high school here, but those rooms, the volume is not conducive to the activities that are going to be going in there. So a new higher ceilinged CTE area is going to be constructed off the current trades facility. Lastly, the addition that's happening over here, the small addition, is a secure entry vestibule for the health center. The health center services people up to 27 years old, and currently anybody off the street going to the health center has access into the school. We want to make sure that is securely locked down and that people have to be buzzed into the school from the health center through that vestibule or into the health center itself from that vestibule without ever going into the school. So it's part of the security plan. It's a much broader plan. And from there, if we look at the floor plan, you can see the addition for the gym, the fitness, the concessions, the toilets. You can see the business and CTE wing down here in the lower area by the trades. And you can see the health center addition with the new vestibule and secure vestibule going into that area. So that is the new construction.
Thank you, Steve.